Hold up. You might be making a massive mistake that could cost you thousands of dollars. What if I told you there's a simple, often overlooked strategy that could triple your revenue on your Faceless YouTube channel? Yes, you heard that right. It's time to uncover the ultimate secrets to monetizing your YouTube channel, and I guarantee you'll look at your channel differently by the end of this video. Stick around and find out exactly how you can turn your passion into profit without ever showing your face on camera. Buckle up, because this is going to change everything you thought you knew about YouTube. Now, let's dive deep into the world of faceless YouTube channels and unveil the strategies that the top creators are using to rake in the cash. Imagine this: hours of content creation, editing, and SEO optimization, all leading up to the moment when you finally click that monetize button. But wait, what if there is more to monetization than just enabling ads? I'm talking about sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even merchandise sales, all tailored for faceless channels. Our journey begins with the hidden revenue streams that many creators overlook. Did you know that affiliate marketing is one of the most lucrative ways to earn on YouTube? With a faceless channel, you can seamlessly integrate product reviews, comparisons, and recommendations without ever showing your face. Picture this: a gaming channel reviewing the latest tech gadgets or a cooking channel showcasing kitchen tools. The key here is authenticity and relevance. Your audience trusts your content, which means they are more likely to purchase products you recommend. And guess what? Every purchase they make through your affiliate link puts money in your pocket. Speaking of authenticity, let's talk about sponsorships. Many influencers shy away from faceless channels, thinking sponsors only want face value endorsements. Wrong. Brands are on the lookout for high engagement channels, and if your content resonates with your audience, sponsors will come knocking. Here's a pro tip: create a media kit showcasing your channel's statistics, demographics, and previous collaborations. This not only makes you look professional, but also sets you apart from the competition. Now, let's take it up a notch. Ever heard of crowdfunding? Platforms like Patreon and Ko-Fi allow creators to receive support directly from their fans. Imagine what you could achieve by offering exclusive content, behind-the-scenes looks, or early access to your videos for a small monthly fee. Your most loyal fans will be delighted to support you and get perks in return, creating a win-win situation. But it doesn't stop there. Merchandise. Yes, even faceless channels can successfully sell merch. Think about custom graphic designs, catchphrases, and unique logos related to your content. Use print-on-demand services like Teespring or Redbubble, where you don't need to handle inventory or shipping. Promote your merchandise subtly in your videos, links in descriptions, or community posts, and watch as your fans proudly sport your brand. But wait, you need to set the right foundation for these revenue streams. Engaging content, robust SEO, and a loyal community are non-negotiable. You need to constantly analyze and optimize your strategies. Use analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Double down on successful content types and always listen to your audience's feedback. Remember, consistency is key. Regular uploads keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Collaborate with other creators in your niche to reach new audiences. Host live Q&A sessions, run giveaways, and create a sense of community. Engaged viewers are more likely to support you through your various revenue streams. To sum it up, monetizing a faceless YouTube channel is not just about ad revenue. It's about diversifying your income streams and creating multiple sources of revenue that collectively contribute to your success. Let's recap the golden strategies: harnessing the power of affiliate marketing, securing lucrative sponsorships, launching successful crowdfunding campaigns, and selling unique merchandise. Are you ready to transform your YouTube channel into a money-making powerhouse? There is so much more to explore in the world of YouTube monetization, and we've only scratched the surface. For now, focus on implementing these strategies, and I promise you'll start seeing results. But that's not all. In the next episode, we'll delve into a game-changing tactic that's so revolutionary, you'll wonder why no one is talking about it. You won't want to miss it, so hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Until then, happy creating, and remember, the sky is the limit when you know how to make the most of your faceless YouTube channel. See you in the next episode.